Surah of Quran, Surah Name in English. Al-Fatiha, the opening. Al-Baqarah, the cow. Ali Imran, the family of Imran. An-Nisa, the woman. Al-Ma'idah, the table spread. Al-An'am, the cattle. Al-Araf, the heights. Al-Anfal, the spoils of war. Al-Tawbah, repentance. Yunus, Prophet Jonah. Hud, Prophet Hud. Yusuf, Prophet Joseph. Ar-Rad, the thunder. Ibrahim, Prophet Ibrahim. Al-Hijr, the rocky tract. Al-Nahl, the bee. Al-Isra, the night journey. Al-Kahf, the cave. Maryam, Maryam. Taha, Taha. Al-Anbiya, the prophets. Al-Hajj, the pilgrimage. Al-Mu'minun, the believers. Al-Nur, the light. Al-Furqan, the Criterion. Al-Shu'ara, the poets. Al-Namal, the ants. Al-Qasas, the stories. Al-Ankabut, the spider. Al-Rum, the Romans. Luqman, Hazrat Luqman. As-Sajda, the adoration. Al-Ahzab, the coalition. Sabah, Shiva. Fatir, originator. Yasin, Yasin. As-Safa, those who set the ranks. Sad, the Arabic letter Sad. Az-Zumar, the companions. Al-Mu'min, the believer. Fussilat, explained in detail. Ash-Shu'ara, conceal. Az-Zukhruf, the ornaments of gold. Ad-Dukhan, the drought. Al-Jaziyah, the kneeling. Al-Ahqaf, the sandals. Muhammad, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al-Fatah, the victory. Al-Hujarat, the apartments. Qaf, the letter Qaf. Ad-Dakhriya, the skaters. Al-Tor, the mountain. An-Najm, the star. Al-Qamar, the moon. Ar-Rahman, most gracious. Al-Waqia, the event. Al-Hadid, the iron. Al-Mujaddid, the pleading woman. Al-Hashr, the banishment. Al-Mumtahana, the woman who is examined. Al-Saf, the ranks. Al-Jum'ah, congregation Friday. Al-Munafiqun, the hypocrites. At-Taghabun, the manifestation of losses. At-Talaq, divorce. At-Tahrim, the prohibition. Al-Mulk, the kingdom. Al-Kalam, the pen. Al-Haqqa, the sure truth. Al-Miraj, the ways of ascent. Nuh, Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. Al-Jinn, the jinn. Al-Muzammil, the one covering himself. Al-Mudakkir, the one wrapping himself up. Al-Qiyamah, the resurrection. Al-Insan, the man. Al-Mursaleen, Mursalat, those sent forth. An-Nabah, the news. An-Naziyat, those who pull out. Abbasa, he formed. At-Takwir, the overthrowing. Al-Infitar, the splitting asunder. Al-Mutafiqin, the differing. Al-Inshiqaq, the splitting is ascendant. Al-Buruj, the big stars. At-Tariq, the night comer. Al-Ala, the most high. Al-Ghasiya, the overwhelming. Al-Fajr, the dawn. Al-Balad, the city. Al-Shams, the sun. Al-Layl, the night. Ad-Duha, the early hours. Al-Inshirah, the opening up. At-Teen, the fig. Al-Alaq, the cloud. Al-Qadr, the mystery, majesty. Al-Bayana, the clear evidence. Al-Zilzilar, the shaking. Al-Adiyat, the assaulters. Al-Qariyah, the calamity. Al-Takadur, the rivalry in world increase. Al-Asr, the time. Al-Rumada, the slanderer. Al-Fil, the elephant. Quraysh. Al-Maun, act of kindness. Al-Kauthar, abundance of God. Al-Kafirun, the disbelievers. Al-Nasr, the help. Al-Mazzad, the flame. Al-Ikhlas, the unity. Al-Falaq, the dawn. An-Nas, the man. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.